A couple days ago, we dropped off those stock RX-7 seats to get redone, and the seats are already complete. It's been like 3 days. We're about to drive up there right now and go pick them up. The day I'm filming this, the summer collection went live for HUD & Company, so if you wanted to grab a shift knob, sunglasses, jet tag, baseball tees, whatever, links will be down below. Click the link, check it out. Hopefully there's still some stuff left. Thank you all who supported the drop the day of. Now it's time to pick up some new seats and install them. And then
drive it.
Well, the wheels.
You have to bleed your memes.
The wheels aren't done yet. All right, so we just got back to SOS Customs, picking up the seats. I'm excited. You don't even know what they're gonna look like yet.
Hopefully they're good. Knowing TJ, they're probably not good.
What?
Surprise me.
I'm cutting that out. Ooh, I see them. Ooh. Ooh. Damn, those look so cool.
Nice move.
Damn.
Oh man.
That is so awesome. Dude, that came out so good.
Looks like a BRZ seat.
I know, literally it's exactly modeled after a BRZ seat. Remember when I was showing you guys those Sparko seats, those crazy carbon backs? And they were made with like real leather, and I said it reminded me of like being inside a Ferrari or like a Lamborghini with that like leather smell. These seats are made with genuine like real leather, and I have that smell again. It's so good. This truck doesn't even have real leather seats, so you don't even get that smell, but having it, I don't know. It's just like special. It makes the car feel special.
I like the stitching a lot. See this? You see this? So when they're stitching it together, it's inside out, and they thought about it to where when they stitch it and the seat is put on and it pulls apart, you see red. It's not like this, not like proud stitching.
It's like underneath, and then when it's pulled, you see just hints of red. I'm gonna link their Instagram right here. If you guys are interested in getting your seats done or any type of upholstery done, give them a follow, check them out, send them a DM. They're in the Oceanside area in San Diego, so even if you're Southern California, these guys are definitely worth a trip, and how fast they did my seats was incredible. It was like 2 or 3 days to do everything and a custom embroider logo. I want you guys to go show them some support. I've been letting these seats sit in the sun for the last hour or so. SOS Upholstery told me to kind of keep them out in the sun because the fact that this is real leather, it will have some character to it. As you can see, you can kind of see like the stretch marks right here, and especially all this right here, this will all tighten up as it gets worn in, and especially as the sun kind of heats it up, all this will kind of suck in. So right now I'm letting them sit out here, just trying to heat up, get them to set themselves. But in the meantime, here are some stock seats with rails on there. So we're gonna go ahead and take these apart, transfer these rails off of this and put them on the new seats. And then I'm gonna go ahead and fit these in. It should be a pretty easy swap, all things considered. These are stock seats, which will make our life much easier. All right, I've just completed transferring the seat brackets over. We're about to get our first seat test. But before I do that, I want to acknowledge the fact that I do have these tan seatbelt clickers in at the moment. That's not permanent. I either will spray paint these black and make them fit, or I'm gonna try to find online some black ones for sale, because as I stated in like a couple videos ago, when my idiot self threw away the old seat, I threw away the clickers as well, while at the same time keeping the actual seatbelt in the car. So I don't know how I didn't notice or think to keep that. That was the idiot self at play. So right now I'm borrowing Mickey's. I have to try and find some, ooh, different ones. Damn, you cannot beat the feeling of a stock seat. That is rad. Oh, I'm actually like super stoked that I went this route rather than going like a hard bucket seat or something like that, because there's a good amount of bolstering. There's not a lot, but there's enough. And with the suede on the back, it's pretty grippy towards like your material and your shirt and clothes. So like it kind of keeps it tucked in for those road trips that we're gonna be doing, because you know we're gonna be doing road trips in the RX-7. It's gonna be comfy. Now time to put these in the car without scratching anything. That's the difficult part. And the car is on the lift at the moment because we have way too many projects in the shop. So I need to make sure that I don't damage anything while trying to put them in. Cross our fingers, hopefully we don't bang anything up on the way in. Plug in the clip.
Yeah, don't worry about the clip just yet. Actually, I guess I can do it. Okay.
Putting in seats is never fun. We got those two back ones. Now it's just a matter of lining up these front ones. But give a little sneak peek at this. The black and the red, and then the black and the red That is so clean. The whole entire interior is all black with like hints of red, so everything ties together so incredibly well. And it's the same color stitching that was used on the spark wheel that's on this seat. Cannot believe how well this is turning out.
Something interesting that we discovered is the seat won't actually go down all the way, so the bolt won't line up. And I was feeling around underneath the seat and there's a big peg. I'll show you on Mickey's car. This is where the bolts go and this is where the peg goes. So we didn't cut those holes out because we didn't think it was important to do so. We thought those holes were just there to be there, but apparently you need clearance. So on the passenger side, TJ went ahead and cut it. We're gonna do the driver's side, but we don't wanna take the seat out right now. But TJ cut it and exposed it. TJ exposed it, and now this seat could go in nice and proper like. I'm gonna clean up these cuts though, because we need to make that look nice. I got it, Kev, don't worry about me, Kev.
What do you mean? You're supposed to always
It's not
be.
in yet,
Because
Kev.
you're supposed to always be ready.
I gotta look good. I look good when it's done and I'm not struggling. Right now
Nah,
I'm struggling.
they definitely want to see you put that seat in.
I'm the doctor. I have a title. I have a reputation, and you're ruining Kevin.
I want to see you put it in. Like, this would just be like fast. Don't give me that face. Put her in. Yeah, but they don't want to just see the end result. They want to see you put it in. Like they want to know how long they'll have to struggle for.
No, we're supposed to make it look glamorous, Kevin.
No.
We got it in. No big deal.
Nah, this is
This is a big deal.
this
Kevin.
is behind the scenes.
No behind the scenes. TJ doesn't do that.
Yeah, he does.
No, he doesn't.
Yes, he does. He wants it raw, nice and raw. See, that was 1 minute and 10 seconds of struggle, and I think people can do that.
I'm good. I'm good at this kind of thing, Kevin. I'm a doctor. X-nay all the things, because TJ's gonna cut it out anyway to make me look amazing.
No, he's gonna leave it. He's gonna leave it all in there.
TJ, don't do this to me, man. I gotta look good. All I need are the the bolts.
What?
Not nuts. Don't worry about me, Kev. I got it.
Oh, you just dropped it.
Back at it again with another seat, Tej. Just get the seat in.
Wait, I need you to go the other side, so when we get down there, you can clip it in.
Clip what in? Oh, I need clip. Oh yeah, you're right. You're right. You're right. You're right. Oh yeah. Back at it again, Tej, with another seat to be doctored, Tej. Okay. Oh shit.
I need a bit more room, to be honest. I don't know if I got it or not.
It looks like you got it. Sounds like he's got it. How does it feel, Tej, to be in your new RX-7 with seats in it?
This is the first time actually sitting in the car.
Lay down the first bead in that seat, Tej.
Dude, the seating position.
I laid a bead in this.
What?
Seat. Yeah, I sat in it and I beaded
For
it.
me? Oh, look at that.
Oh, look how supple that supple leather.
Dude, how good does the leather match the steering wheel?
I hope you have AC, Tej, because it's hot in here already.
We do. Yep. Ooh. Brand new bushings.
Oh, it feels good in here, Tej. You look like a race car driver.
Reverse gear. AccuAir memes.
Beep boop bop.
So soon.
Don't crash it.
Wop, 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 wop.
You're gonna crash it, dude. You don't know how to drive this thing.
How dare you jinx me like that? How dare you?
How much
You're
horsepower does it have?
Like 650 or something?
That's a lot, Tej. You don't know 650.
Just as much as the...
Yeah, but you put that sideways. But in this car, you're not trying to slip. So figure it out, buddy. Kevin's starting the airbag install on his... Oh, hey, wait, hey. What is... Too bad there's one more door. Ah! You're gonna make me fall off my hoverboard. Oh. Well, hey, I didn't want to be in there anyway, guys. Kevin is starting the bag install on his BMW today. And we didn't really we didn't document too much of it because honestly, Kevin really hasn't done shit today. He's done like... Shit today? What? I haven't done shit. Later, hater. You've done a lot of figuring out. You've done... Oh, you can't even do it. How are you? Close it, Kevin. Probably come tomorrow. We'll start filming Kevin's air install. Wait, at least let me give. I'm gonna send the hoverboard your way. I think we. Calvin. You broke it? Oh my God, the chain is off the gear. I can fix it. We have the thing.
You were hanging on it.
I was hanging on this. That has nothing to do with the chain. This is you, Kevin.
Yes, I was holding it, but you hang on it and then it just like slips out.
You know what? I got it. Don't worry. I know.
Dude, how the fuck are you gonna get that over here?
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I will catch you tomorrow. Peace out and keep moving forward.
No, stop.
And I'm feeling